Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the upper button, the crown button, and keep holding it for about 12 seconds. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. And once you see the Huawei logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.